Good evening. This is Ivan here from Empiric Business Media, joining you live from the Manufacturing 5.0 2025. Today, I am joined by Mr. Yogesh Dipankar from Spiro. Hi, Mr. Yogesh. How was your feedback regarding the event so far, and what is your experience?
Yeah, so I think the feedback has been great. The event is very well organized. Right from the morning till the evening, there are, experts from the manufacturing industry coming and talking. The panel discussion has been great. The stalls that have been over here are quite, good in terms of the demos that they are offering. So all in all, it has been a great event. Very well organized by the team, EBM. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir. Also, we would like to know more about Spiro and where do you guys come from and what do you guys do and how do you contribute to the EV manufacturing industry?
Talking about Spiro, so Spiro is the most influential time 100 most influential company 2024, and Spiro the mission of Spiro is to bring or make accessible the affordable energy clean tech technology to everyone. And Spiro is the only EV manufacturer of electric vehicles, bikes, swap stations, chargers in Africa, and it's trying to solve the problem of the import export, and then also bringing a lot of employment to Africa. So proud to say that Spiro is the first EV and the largest EV player in Africa.
Thank you so much for your answer, sir. Also, we would like to know is what do you think the current EV manufacturing industry is facing in terms of obstacles, and what is your take on that, and how is Spiro trying to contribute to make lives easier?
So see, specifically in the EV manufacturing, right? So in India, you can say EV manufacturing is for last 4, 5 years or so. It has really picked up. In Africa, it is really, really new, right? And we are proud, as I said, right? We have our manufacturing setup in Africa, which can manufacture bikes as well as batteries. So the unique problem or the obstacles that we have in EV manufacturing is the number one is that the battery the raw material that we need for battery and the whole supply chain, right? It is we have a huge dependency on China, and getting material all the way from China to Africa, manufacturing over there is one of the biggest hurdle or the obstacle. The number two, I would say, is getting the skilled manpower, especially if I talk about the context of Africa. So what we have as a solution is definitely we are piggybacking on the industry for 5.0 best practices, but we also have something called as Spiro Academy that we have set up. And the number three problem that we have, I can say, is doing manufacturing of EV bikes as well as battery at scale. So these are the three top challenges. And if I have to go one by one talking about the solution is, so number one, we are doing some smart sourcing. We are making AI-enabled sourcing so that we don't only have dependency on China, but we can find other markets and get the raw material and the manufacturing. And then the second, as I said, is to get the talent right. We have our own Spiro Academy, and we are training the African talent, and we are grooming them so that we get the necessary skills. And the third thing is to do it at scale, right? So of course, Industry 5.0 is going to help us to do it at scale because we'll be able to use things like cobot, we'll be able to do 3D printing, we'll be able to have, say, robots in the factory, and the meet the demand or the meet the scale, right? Because you can imagine that what India was like, say, 5, 10 years back in the EV, Africa is now, right? So there's a huge demand for EV vehicles, but to meet that, Industry 5.0 can be a big help.
That's absolutely fantastic, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Have a
Thanks
wonderful
for
rest of
having
the
me.
evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you.